Alright, today we're going to organize a little bit more in my kitchen, and we're actually just going to focus on one drawer today. I've been meaning to get to my utensil drawer, reorganize it for the last, I don't even know how many years. It's been a while. And I've been keeping my eyes open for drawer dividers, and every time I find them, they're bamboo, and I'm like, you know, bamboo's great, but all the ones that I've come across, I just felt like they were super cheap. I didn't want them to break. So I went searching for some plastic drawer dividers, and when they went on sale, I got them. So stick around with me today. Let's get through my entire utensil drawer and figure out a way to make it functional, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's pretty bad right now. No judgment to you if your drawer looks like this. I just have such a hard time when my drawer is this chaotic. Let's get to it. Here we are. This is my silverware drawer, which, you know, isn't bad. Like, this is pretty good. This is our apple slicer. It's actually really cool because it has like a back. These could probably be cleaned again. I feel like things get really dusty in the drawers. Is that just me? Ooh, we have some grilling utensils that actually don't need to be in here anymore. We now have a Blackstone griddle, and so we just need a new place to put all of our grilling utensils. And this, I don't think this should be it anymore. What is this? Oh, this is a knife sharpener. That's nice. I have had this spatula since I was 8 years old. Yeah, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a chef. So later that year for Christmas, I got a bunch of baking mixes, and I got a pot and a pan with an emerald apron that said BAM on it. It was so cute. So yeah, I wanted to be a chef for a while, and I still have this. It was working for a while, but then it started to peel, and gosh, maybe I should just get rid of it. But I don't know, it's got good memories. I need to get rid of it. It needs to be thrown away, not even donated, because it's probably not safe to cook with if it's peeling. These are so cool. These are like little lids that you can put on things. Like if you wanted to save a tomato and you just cut half of it, you could take one of these and put it over your tomato and seal it. Really cool. They need to be washed because they're really dusty. Or if you have like an open can of something, you can put that over this too. I love these, and I'll link them for you guys to check out. Oh, these go with my mixer. My husband put them here. They don't go here. Okay. Now we can just clean this out a little bit. Much better. I want to be able to have access to our primary things in front while having the things that we don't use so often all the way in back. So like this, we don't use it very often. It's nice to know we have it. It's definitely a tool I want in my kitchen. Same with this. Same with the cheese slicer. Same with the grater. We do use our can opener a little bit more often, but because it would probably go better with this whole category of odds and ends utensils, I'm gonna leave it with that group as well. I can put this with my KitchenAid mixer. Same thing with the ice cream scoop and these. So we have, I don't know why these were in our regular silverware drawer, but we have the other ice cream scoop and we have a peeler. So those could all be one category. And then we have our odds and end things like these funnels and these caps. So that would be another category. Same with this, I guess. I could go there. And this. That's just like an accessory, I think. These could all go together. We also have this for our main utensils. Like if they go in a set, then I tend to put them in here. Even this one goes in here a lot. This one technically should be in there as well because it goes with the set. So yeah, I think it's time. I think it's time for me to throw this away. I'm so sorry. I really am. Why am I so sentimental about this stuff? Like, it's just a spatula that I've had for 20 years now. I'm 28. I got this, I think, when I was 8 years old, or just about 8 years old. I'm so sorry, but it's time. Do you guys ever get sentimental about random things like kitchen utensils, or is it just me? I don't know. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 categories. So let's try this out. Well, that was a bust. Well, thanks for coming along with me. This project is a bust. And you know what? I'm still gonna post it for you guys because that's life. Dang it. This sucks. I've been really wanting to organize this whole drawer, and man, I could have used that win today. Maybe next time. You know, it's not as bad as it was, so I will give it that. But I'm still really disappointed how this went and how this turned out. So, okay, let's figure out if there's anywhere else in my house that I could put these and organize. I think I'm gonna check my main level bathroom. I don't know, let's see. If I can't find a place for these to go, I will return them. I totally should have measured beforehand. Like, why didn't I think of that? I don't know. I don't know. All right, now please don't mind any of the mess here. Was not planning on filming in this part of my house today. Let's see if these will fit. They will! Oh no! Wait, maybe they'll fit the other direction. Oh my gosh. I can't win today. I can't. This is gonna be like my first organizing fail video. Oh, I just need a win. Oh, there we go. Oh, is that a dead? I hate dead bugs. I mean, I hate live bugs, but when they're dead and they're gross and I still have to clean them up. I prefer dead bugs over real bugs, but gross. I'm gonna go get my vacuum. Ugh. No way! I found a little Cricut tool in here. Didn't know that was missing. Let's get all these wipes out of here. My little hair dryer that doesn't belong down here. What the heck is this? Hair ties. False eyelashes. Okay. Okay, no more bugs. Okay. Yeah, that's so nice. Oh, I love it when things work out. Okay, what else do I have? Oh man. Why do I have an empty candle in here? This is why I have a problem with clutter, guys. Because I see potential in the most useless things. More wipes. They are flushable wipes, but we don't flush them because I've heard that that's actually still not good for your plumbing. I think I have enough crap in here to fill a diaper box. Well, maybe not enough to fill an entire diaper box, but I could definitely get started. Ooh. No, actually, maybe I'll keep this one. Yes, I want this one. Didn't realize that was in there. And I need a new one anyway. This is why we go through old stuff. I have like 4 drawers here to work with and 5 of these little dividers. So I don't know, I'm just kind of going with it right now. Oh, I'm such a professional. Ooh, I like where this is heading. Oh man, why'd you have to go and ruin it? Oh my gosh, look at that. It fits so good. Yeah. What's next? This is the most chaotic of them all. I don't even know what to say about this. We have a toy electric clippers because my son Oliver, who's 3 right now, terrified of getting his hair cut, and it is a battle. So I was like, well, hey, let's get him a toy barber set, and maybe he'll think it's fun when he gets to play with it. Did not go that way. It did not. Well, that doesn't fit. So we can't use these in the top drawer because they're too small. So I guess the indecisiveness is kicking in right now. So I want to have a drawer dedicated to the baby proofing stuff. Let's move. Yeah, let's move. Yes, okay, so we're gonna do our soaps, our not so flushable wipes, and we've got room for something else. Maybe a couple candles. I'm gonna put the soap that was too long right there. Yeah. Okay, so now we can look at the baby proofing stuff. I should probably get myself more of these little plug protectors. Ow! Careful. Today is not my day, you guys. I'm excited for this project. Totally not where I intended it to go, but here we are. So, oh, how cute! So now I can put these in this little Oh, I love that. It's the little wins. Can you believe I almost bought more? Man, I really just need to look around and see what we have before I make an assumption. It's like my most annoying flaw. This is not the way I anticipated this organizing project to go, but I really like it. I'm here for it. No, I got too many. It won't fit in there. Ooh, these are old outlet covers. I gotta say, they are like the worst outlet covers in the history of outlet covers. I'm not keeping them. I don't know why I kept them to begin with. They're impossible. Like, they're not just child-proof, they're human-proof. This is so functional. I'm very proud of myself for this. I'm gonna put all the unopened items here over on the left. I really hope my kids don't get into this drawer and ruin it. That would be a bummer. And it's probably gonna happen now that I mentioned it. These are the best child-proof doorknob covers that we've had. They are the best. These ones from Safety First, they're good, unless you have larger doorknobs. And if you have larger doorknobs, then these are what you need. I'll link it all for you. Anyone need ketchup? Don't even ask, because I don't know. Let's put the shower curtain back in here. It's a liner, a washable liner. So if you have a shower curtain liner, make sure you get it machine washable, because then you can wash it in vinegar or bleach, not both together, never both together. I did not expect to organize these drawers today, but I guess that's just how life is going. Expect the unexpected. So on that note, let me just tell you guys, any support that you guys can give my channel right now would be absolutely amazing. Share these videos with your friends, anyone who also loves to organize or who could benefit from maybe a little laugh at my mishaps. Life is a little different these days, but I am diving back into my house and just seeing what the future holds at this point. So I'll fill you guys in more when I can, but yeah, I think everything's gonna be great. Everything will be what it's meant to be. So considering the fact that I was not expecting to fully organize these drawers today, I'm just gonna leave it at that. This was a little bit of a fail, but for what I did get done, I'm happy with it. I can come back to this later. Well, I'm gonna throw away this candle and a few other things that don't need to be around anymore. That can be thrown away. I have no idea what that was supposed to go to. Well, that was not what I was expecting for this video today, but anyway. Thank you guys always for being here, watching till the end, and supporting this channel. Like this video, comment for more, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell if you want updates. And go ahead and subscribe to my membership if you'd like to get early access to any videos I post. Once I have them uploaded, I usually schedule them for Fridays at this point. So if you want access before they're public for everyone to see, that's what you can get, as well as priority replies on your comments. I do try to reply to as many as I can, but if you are in that membership, I will always put you first. So that's all I got for you today. I will see you next week. Bye.